visuals coming in. First set of visuals of this conversation that's happening between both these leaders. Has he come to, speak with the opposition leaders? Has he come to speak with Rahul Gandhi and probably to tell them that, maybe let's have the discussion in the parliament? We don't know. But this is a very interesting attempt being made by the government to control the situation, to also perhaps, convince the Congress netas who are here protesting outside Prime Minister's residence, to convince them to end their protest, end their sit-in dharna, because clearly this is a high-profile zone that we are talking about in the national capital. First set of visuals coming in of this conversation that's currently happening between MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh and Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi. Bhavtosh, you got us the first visual of Dr. Jitendra Singh, and now we're getting visuals of him having a conversation with Rahul Gandhi. Times Now getting exclusive visuals of this conversation first on Times Now.
Yes, Sina, in fact, dramatic turn of events since we came here and started reporting. Rahul Gandhi in the morning went and met students who were injured, and then Rahul Gandhi came here and carried out a dharna. Congress leaders spoke to Times Now. They said they had no option but to carry out such a protest, whether it's dramatic or whether it's a publicity stunt. We can take a call on that leader. But just 10 minutes back, MOS PMO Jitendra Singh came here. In fact, there were police personnel who were here, and from this, at least from this side onward, he came here and then came and met Rahul Gandhi. Now, Rahul Gandhi is there where dharna is taking place. In fact, the police personnel never detained him, which was very surprising and interesting. Right. And he was not detained. Only few Congress workers or a spokesperson, Kanhaiya Kumar, was detained. Right. And since then, this talk is going on. What will happen next is still not very clear. Rahul Gandhi's security personnel from CRPF are still standing here. What will happen and whether this talks will fructify is something only time will tell.
Right, but very interesting turn of events there. You've got first visuals of this conversation that's currently happening between Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi, and MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh. Bhavtosh, stay on with us. Sabyasachi, over to you. What more details can you share with us?
ये उसके जो पब्लिक सर्विस कमीशन में जिस पर घोटाले आए हैं और उनको बनाया गया, तो पूरी के पूरी कहता हूं मैं कुएं में ही भंग पड़ी हुई है। हमारे पास इनके सदन के वो नेता है, उनके पास आने के अलावा हमारे पास कोई उपाय नहीं है। लगातार 2 सालों से राहुल गांधी जी सदन के अंदर सदन के बाहर भी अपनी बातों को रख रहे हैं, लेकिन ये गूंगी बहरी और डहरी और सहमी हुई सरकार है। हमारे पास इसके अलावा कोई विकल्प नहीं है।
सर, हमने कभी देखा नहीं है कि लीडर ऑफ ऑपोजिशन खुद पीएम के घर के बाहर प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं।
जब हमारे पास कोई विकल्प नहीं होता है तो हम संवैधानिक तरीके से अपनी बातों को यहां तक पहुंचाने के लिए हम लोग आए हुए हैं, और हम ये अपेक्षा करते हैं कि डरी हुई, सहमी हुई और अपनी जिम्मेदारी से भागने वाले प्रधानमंत्री अब तो चेते, अब तो जवाब दे और युवाओं के जो उनका भविष्य उसका अंधकार ना बनाए।
So there you go. That was a member of parliament from Jharkhand, Mr. Sukhdev Bhagat, saying that there is no option. This has to be done. In fact, I also asked him regarding the MOS PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh himself coming out here. He's saying that the BJP does not have any option but to listen to what the leader of opposition or the Congress party is demanding. So definitely, as far as the Congress party is concerned, what they are hinting that this is a pressure tactics from the Congress party to demand from the central government the resignation of Union Education Minister, Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. Back to you.
Right. So clearly this seems like a pressure tactic, as you said, by the Congress party, because Congress party wants the paper leak issue as well to be discussed in the parliament, but nothing of that sort has really happened because the houses get adjourned because of sloganeering, ruckus, etc. that is going on. Second day in a row today, we saw both houses getting adjourned very, very quickly without hardly any business really, taking place in the houses. Niyamika also is live with us right now. Niyamika, now I don't remember any protest having a twist like this, wherein you've got somebody like MOS PMO arriving himself and having a conversation with the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. This is unprecedented.
देखिए बिल्कुल इस वक्त मैं आपको दिखाऊंगा
Well, yes, firstly, I would like to show you the visuals here as right now the MOS PMO is currently being present here. He is having a conversation with the leader of opposition in Lok Sabha, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. That was basically the demand which was being raised by the Congress party for this particular protest, as they were saying that the Prime Minister should first have a conversation with the leader of opposition, because it is the right of the opposition parties to get to know that what actually has happened, what was being discussed in the yesterday's meeting, what sort of action is going to be taken by the government of India, the way in which the youth of this country is having this protest. They are seeking a resignation on the part of Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan. All of these issues were being raised by the Congress party in particular, and I would also like to ask my camera person to pan the camera and show you the kind of police deployment which is being done here, as this is basically the high security area. All of these MPs, the senior leaders of the Congress party, have been surrounded by the police personnel here, as they are basically, the kind of consultation which is being done with the MOS PMO, that basically shows that a dialogue is being done so that everything gets sorted out, because the way in which this protest is happening, all the top leaders, including the chief ministers, the member of parliament, all of them are currently being present here. Rahul Gandhi, as well as Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge, both the leaders are also, being here holding this particular protest, because they are saying that the opposition is not being able to speak within the house. They are continuously demanding a discussion within the Lok Sabha as well as in Rajya Sabha, but that was not being accepted by the government, and that is the only reason why they had no choice left but to sit here on a dharna outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Right. Stay on with us, Niyamika. Let me quickly go across to Bhavtosh as well for more on this. Bhavtosh, are Congress Netas still being picked up even as this conversation is underway between Dr. Jitendra Singh and Leader of Opposition in the Lok Sabha, Rahul Gandhi?
Well, not now. At least there was an attempt after Kanhaiya Kumar was picked up, but it appears that as soon as the Minister of PMO, MOS PMO had arrived here, there is a direction that has been given to Delhi police not to use force, not to repeat what had happened earlier, that none of the Congress workers would be picked up, and that maintain restraint. That was in fact missing last time around, at least yesterday, and police as well as the government had received flag for that. This time around, if you can see a barricade, or at least the police presence is here, but Congress workers as of now are not being removed from here. Maybe if this protest continues even after MOS PMO leaves from here, maybe then they might be detained, but as of now the talks are going on. In fact, Jairam Ramesh is also present here, Rahul Gandhi is present here, and other leaders are present here, but the police is not using force. Dramatic turn of events, but as you asked whether Congress leaders have been picked up, any worker has been picked up, there was an attempt by police to pick few of them, but as soon as Jitendra Singh came here, there was a direction, at least direction was given not to remove them. The protest continues even as Rahul Gandhi speaks to Jitendra Singh.
Right. Bhavtosh, stay on with us. Sabyasachi, it will be interesting to see whether the MOS PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh, will be able to convince the Congress party to end their dharna outside Prime Minister's residence.
Well, absolutely. I'll request my camera person just to show you the visuals. You can see the large gathering of the Delhi police. Right at the center is where the MOS PMO, Dr. Jitendra Singh, is having a discussion with Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. Now, this would be extremely a make or break point because if Dr. Jitendra Singh manages to convince Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, to end this agitation outside PM's residence and to convince him that the center is ready to hold discussion at the floor of the house. So that could be one of the points that Dr. Jitendra Singh could bring across Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi. But it is extremely interesting turn of events that we are currently seeing, that the MOS PMO himself is here convincing the Leader of Opposition to end his protest so that the discussion can take place in the floor of the house. Remember, this was a demand of the Leader of Opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, when there was this meeting of the opposition opposition leaders at the chamber of Lok Sabha Speaker Mr. Om Birla. So this will be extremely interesting. But the Congress also very much made it clear that they are not going to end their agitation until they see the resignation of Union Minister Mr. Dharmendra Pradhan.
Right. Let's also go across to my colleague Niyamika once again. Niyamika, the number of leaders who are present for this dharna from the Congress party clearly shows that it was well planned, isn't it? It doesn't look like a spontaneous protest by the party.
Well, yes, indeed, Hina, just ahead of this particular protest, all of these leaders had gone to 10 Rajaji Marg to celebrate the birthday of Mr. Mallikarjun Kharge. All the senior leaders, the member of parliament as well as the chief ministers, all of them were there for the birthday celebration. But in that particular meetup, it was being decided that this is high time that the Congress party should show the solidarity with the students, and that is the only reason why all of them have come here to hold this sit-in dharma. But firstly, I would also like to show you the visuals here, the kind of police deployment which has been increased here at the outside the residence of Prime Minister Narendra Modi. You can see the visuals that how these are the human chains which are being made by the Delhi police. I would also like to ask my camera person to pan to that these persons who have surrounded the Congress MPs who are having this sit-in dharna. There is this human chain, 3-layer human chain which is being formed by these the kind of protesters who are being holding who are sitting here outside the residence.
Right.
This protest shouldn't turn violent, and that is the only reason why all
Niyamika, stay on with us. Let me go across to Sabyasachi as well for more on this. Sabyasachi, yesterday also we saw a clash between protesters and police. At that time we had Union Minister JP Nadda having a conversation with representatives of CJP, and today the government has sent MOS PMO Dr. Jitendra Singh to have a conversation with the protesting Congress netas.
They are taking chances with children's lives. They're unleashing violence. So you will meet the response. LOP has done an amazing thing.
Ma'am, Dr. Jitendra Singh, who is the MOS PMO, is also here. He's speaking to convince Mr. Rahul Gandhi as well.
Well, let him try.
So that was Renuka Chaudhary. Now she says that everything happens for the first time. Now this would be the first time that the leader of opposition, Mr. Rahul Gandhi, is protesting in front of the Prime Minister's residence. Now she says that everything happens for the first time. Now this is for the first time that it is happening in this country.
Right. Bhavtosh, even as both leaders are having this conversation, the slogans by other netas are also continuing.
Yes, Hina, the sloganeering is going on. If I can show you, Rahul Gandhi's security team is also here. They are present here. In fact, they are waiting what will happen next as far as the turn of events are concerned. If I can show you where our other colleagues are concerned, that's where the meeting is going on. So there is a lot of turn of events that are happening. There are also police buses that are present here. If at all these talks fail, but the police have decided to restrain themselves, or at least some directions have been given, as senior police officers from New Delhi as well as special CPs have also gathered here. Somewhere it appears that what happened yesterday is something that has in fact in many ways have also impacted the government, because there is no doubt that students have not been injured. Though there are visuals that we have played where protesters have also pelted stones, in which police personnel have also been injured. FIRs have been filed, but what is happening here?
But you know,